Welcome to my YouTube channel, Buzz also. In this video, I'll be sharing an update with you about a particular app called Sweatcoin, where you can earn money by working. If you like trekking a lot, if you like walking to different places, this app is perfect for you. The more you trek, the more your money will pile up. They have a daily steps of 10,000. Daily step of 10,000, and I think the amount of sweat coin per step is one. You need 1,000 steps to make one sweat coin, and you need 1,500 sweat coin to make $1. So this is how it works. Let me show you the app on my phone. So this is sweat coin. This is sweat coin. These are the steps I make today. These are the steps I make today. So let's get into it. These are the steps I make today. It's 111 steps. These are the sweat coin I have so far. These are the coins I have so far. Let me see all the transaction. Let me show you all the transaction. These are all the steps I've. This is I made this in yesterday, which is 18 September. I started yesterday. These are the sweat coin I earned from step. This is 0.09. I actually have close to 140 something, 149 steps yesterday. Let's check it. So when you register, this app is on Apple Store and Play Store. When you download it, you register with your Gmail or any email you have. When you register, you configure it. The configuration is not much. Just click on it. Will prompt you to click on some stuff. Click it. Then whenever you move around, it will read. It will read whenever you move around. So this is a bonus. When you invite someone, they will give you 40 sweat coin. Whenever you invite someone to the app, you will get a 40 coin. This is let me show you what you can use your reward to buy. You click on reward to redeem your sweat coin, then you click on buy. See, this is Amazon, Spotify, Google gift card. So you click on it. See, you need 1,500 sweat coin. 1,500 sweat coin to make $5 gift card. To tell you the fact, it's not actually much. It's not much. But one thing is that at least you can stay fit while still earning. That's just the good thing about this platform. So let's go back. For $10 gift card, you need 2,500 sweat coin to 2,500 sweat coin to earn it. To earn this $10 gift card. So let's go back. There are still more reward there. There are still reward there. There's still a lot of reward there that you can use. See, $15 gift card. Let's check this $15. You need 4,000 sweat coin to get this $15 gift card. Let's go back to the minimum step you can make per day is 10,000. Is 10,000. If you have that 10,000, if you have that 10,000, if you make that 10,000 step per day, that means you have 10 sweat coin. That's it. It's not that much, because 1,000 sweat coin equals 1,000 steps equal 1 sweat coin. So it take you a lot of time before you can redeem it. In fact, it will take you close to 3 to 4 months before you can get your money. But if you are inviting people, imagine if you invite close to 100 people to this platform, you get your coin, you get your money easily. So you need to keep working before you can earn a lot of money on this platform. So it's actually meant for people that value fitness. Why tracking their fitness goal, they can still earn money from it. So that is what this fitness app is all about. Let's share this space. I think there are also challenges there you can lock in. For these are challenge, 1,000 Nike shopping spree. If you do this challenge, you will win this $1,000 shopping free. Let's go for another one. Professional online therapy with better 50% off. See, there there are challenges there you can lock in to get money. They are there. So that about Sweats coin. There is another platform. There's another platform apart from this Sweats coin. In fact, there are many out there. There are many, but I've received money from this. I've received money from this a lot. So let's go to the second platform. So the second platform is Reward. From Reward too, you can earn a lot of money from Reward too. It's similar to Sweatcoin. It's similar to it, but I will tell you the real facts. You can't make enough money from here. You can't make that kind of money you are looking for. You can't make it from here. Just to encourage you to stay fit. You stay fit and you earn. That's just the ideology of this app. It's not for you to make a lot of money. If you really want to make money from it, you need to keep sending invites out to people. When people log into the app, you keep earning like that. So it's not actually meant for big money making like that. So you can try this reward out too. You can try it out. They pay this is on Apple, is on and is on Play Store too. You can try it out. You check, you earn money. The more you check, the more you earn money. They also have a daily step you can take too. I think it's around 10,000. They have it too. So that is out about that. You can go ahead and work on it and get more of this. There are multiple of them out there. At least if I can't, I've seen like 5 to 10 of these out there. So you can do more research on it. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. If you are not clear with anything, go ahead and comment. I will reply you straight away. Thank you for listening.